Hi everyone! Welcome back to Online Tools Master. Today we're diving into a tool that makes JSON files easier to read and edit, the JSON Prettifier. First, open your browser and head over to www.onlinetools.com/JSON. Got it? Great. Now open JSON Prettifier. What is a JSON Prettifier? JSON, or JavaScript Object Notation, is a popular data format, but when it's all jammed into a single line, it can be difficult to read. That's where a JSON Prettifier comes in. It reformats JSON by adding indentation and line breaks, making it structured and readable. This tool lets you choose between spaces or tabs for indentation and specify the number of spaces per level. Soon, it'll even support JSONal files. First, let's take a messy one-line JSON array. The tool quickly formats it, placing each element on a new line with 4-space indentation, making it easy to read. Next, we clean up a complex JSON object. The original version is hard to follow, but after using 2-space indentation, the structure is clear and easy to navigate. Finally, we remove excessive whitespace from a JSON file. Leading and trailing spaces are removed, and proper indentation with tabs is applied, making the file look professional. If you're working with structured data, check out our previous tutorials on changing CSV delimiters and extracting a CSV column, both essential for data formatting. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome online tool tutorials. See you in the next one.